This video introduces modern technology devices that help improve the quality of family life, from robot vacuum cleaners, automatic lawnmowers and many other modern devices. Let's find out how these devices create a comfortable, safe and energy-efficient home. EvoDuster Pro Dust Blower. EvoDuster Pro is the ultimate cordless dust blower that surpasses all your expectations and changes the rules of the game with its powerful airflow and compact size. EvoDuster Pro's super strong wind force can reach a maximum of 1.5 kilograms and can even blow away small stones and bricks. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a strong wind, you can precisely control the fan's power, wipe off water on the car or pile up leaves or snow in the yard. After washing the car, say goodbye to water stains on the car. Remove debris and dust from furniture and computer cases. NOMAD 3.0 Anti-mosquito. Mosquitoes are always annoying and itchy insects on your body. You cannot avoid them because they exist quite a lot and there are mosquitoes everywhere. So NOMAD is an environmentally friendly anti-mosquito protection device that makes people invisible to mosquitoes and other invisible insects. This revolutionary technology disrupts the mosquito's olfactory system by using natural electrical fields. The device emits 20 million negative ions per cc, breaking down carbon dioxide molecules from human breath and chemical odors from the human body. For mosquitoes, smelling CO2 is a sign that a potential meal is nearby, and NOMAD disrupts these chemical signals. Enhance your outdoor experience, redefine protection and immerse yourself in the wild with NOMAD 3.0. COOLSMILE Air Cooler. Whether you work from home, relax in the backyard, camp outdoors or travel around the world, staying cool is essential. COOLSMILE is an advanced cooling technology that draws warm air and turns it into a cool breeze. No dampness, no cost, just pure, effective cooling anywhere. Increased wind speed and reduced noise are due to redesigned air doors and sleep mode for quieter operation, improved stopper for easy opening and closing, improved portability. Backup battery allows more than 8 hours of use without power. For the best sleep, use COOLSMILE as you fall asleep. When you turn on sleep mode, you can enjoy fresh air at a quiet level of less than 40 decibels. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go. With a built-in 5000 mAh battery, COOLSMILE provides up to 8 hours of continuous operation, eliminating the need for frequent charging and ensuring continuous cooling on the go. This process cools the air to -7, -12.4 below room temperature, 86, providing comfortable air without humidity. COOLSMILE's cooling system uses a simple 500 ml frozen water bottle. Place the frozen water bottle inside, and as the warm air passes through the aluminum sink, it will transform into a cool, refreshing breeze. LUBA 2 Lawn Mowing Robot. Set up in 18 minutes without wires around. Still having trouble installing boundary wires? Why not choose a MAMotion robotic mower? No need for perimeter wires to set up or repair anymore. With the app you can set virtual boundaries in centimeter-level precise positioning and map your lawn thanks to the advanced RTK genes and multi-sensor navigation system. You deserve a dynamic and versatile lawn and LUBA will save you time. RTK is 100% solar-powered, taking a step to sustainability. Using a gas-powered lawnmower for 1 hour causes the same level of pollution as driving between Los Angeles and Las Vegas. Focusing on innovations like robotic lawn mowers and battery-powered automation, MAMotion is designed to efficiently navigate and maintain lawns. The upgraded RTK LUBA 2 can be charged by solar energy, making it environmentally friendly and emission-free. GPS anti-theft protection. Never worry about your LUBA lost. Equipped with anti-theft system and built-in alarm system, if someone takes your MAMotion LUBA 2 AWD 5000 lawn mowing robot, you can secure and track its location instantly through the MAMotion app. The individual who initially activated the device becomes its legal owner. Ownership authentication supports lost feature. Unauthorized users cannot operate the machine. App and voice control. Mowing is a breeze. Customize different mowing heights, mowing modes and mowing frequencies for multiple zones or check mowing progress and location from anywhere via your smartphone with the app. Masdio Smart Flower Pot. Masdio is a smart pot. Nurturing ivy plants is like keeping a real pet at home. It will become a lovely companion that brings healing and peace to anyone. It offers a completely different experience than any ordinary flower pot. Let Masdio turn your great ideas into reality. By connecting to the network, Masdio can perform OTA system updates on its own and increase information about the plants that can be grown. Masdio measures 4.49 inches by 3.94 inches by 3.78 inches and weighs only 270 grams, allowing for easy handling and placement in any location without taking up too much space. Even in case of a sudden power outage at home, you don't need to worry. With its built-in battery, Ivy can maintain continuous monitoring of crop health for up to 48 hours. AIRROBO Floor Cleaning Robot. AIRROBO is a robot that integrates vacuuming and mopping. Veterinary removal of stubborn stains and wounds from carpets, upholstery, car interiors, portable and multi-functional design. Dark for easy multi-cleaning surfaces in your home. Organized cleaning, random cleaning, spot cleaning, wall cleaning, scheduled cleaning, manual cleaning, advanced carpet cleaning. M210P optimizes carpet cleaning function. Robot vacuum has powerful 2200 paw suction and 2 side brushes to concentrate dust, pet hair and trash. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning time to ensure your home is spotlessly clean. M210P adopts advanced low noise technology. Only produces uniform and steady white noise during operation, does not interfere with your work or rest, allowing you to enjoy a quiet home environment and comfort. Control your robot vacuum via the app for real-time cleaning maps, suction adjustments, and more. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa for voice command control, making your cleaning routine easier. BISSELL Little Green Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner is the most powerful stain and stain cleaner. It uses a combination of suction action, superior scrubbing and cleaning solution. BISSELL is specially formulated to remove stains, stubborn stains and surface stains. This compact, 13-pound machine easily covers hard-to-reach areas, so you can remove marks and stains from carpets, area rugs, stairs, upholstery, car interiors, and other similar soft surface. Super suction combined with scrubbing action and professional cleaning solution to remove stubborn pet stains, embedded dirt and more, professional style results, provides a deep clean that helps you get the cleanliness you get from the professionals. 13-in-1 Smart Oven. Cosori 30-liter Smart Air Fryer Oven combines multiple kitchen appliances and beneficial smart functions into one machine. Crafted with care, the air fryer oven is built to be user-friendly, used simultaneously to meet multiple cooking needs. With smart functions that let you control, track and schedule meals right from your smartphone, dinner time is always a breeze. Just pick up your smartphone and tap the VSync app to prepare meals at the touch of a button, or enjoy toaster oven control. Choose the preset that works best for you without setting temperature. Choose from toast, bagels, pizza, sous vide, grill, air fry, bake, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or choose kettle to keep your food ready to serve. 4 heat bars, 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allow cooking up to 30% faster than traditional convection ovens, making it easy to prepare for parties at home with family or friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment below the video if you have any dissatisfaction or other opinions. Like and subscribe so we can provide you with more videos and products every day.